Let's go! Another day to the Pokemon Gundam pack opening. Starting today is Pokemon Perfect Order. Sorry for the late posting, guys, but I was busy all day. Here's the code. Starting off, Water Energy, Spinarak, Fletchender, Energy Search, Furfuru, Energy Swatter, Meowstic, Limited City, Reverse Hollow Growing Grass Energy, Reverse Hollow Barnacle, oh, and a DCY EX. DCGY. Nice. Alright, now on to Gundam, still Rickum. Go. Oh, this pack. Veteran Tactics. How many miles to the battlefield? Messer Type FO2. Reddish. Zaku Force Snake Eyes Yeti GQ. Union Flag. CGS Mobile Worker Commander Type. Bottleneck Shaman. Hygog. Dinar Wiseman. Rig Gundam. Awakening Potential. With an Gundam Ixia resource. Alright guys, that's it for today's Pokemon Gundam pack opening. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.